Good morning, dear students. Hope you are fine. So today we will start a new topic. So electric circuit and circuit diagram. Circuit and circuit diagram. These are the two topics we are going to discuss now. So you can see as you learned in previous class, so there are different devices, so which is connected in circuit. So the devices and its symbol we have learned last day. So there are different symbols used for different components. So suppose when you draw a diagram, so if you draw it, here you can see the two diagrams, first one and the second one. There are two diagrams. So actually, this is the actual diagram of a circuit. Actual diagram of a circuit. Here you can see bulb, battery, and wire, and all the things. Here, so suppose different students are drawing in different way. You might be drawing one way of bulb, and another one make another bulb, so it will be different, it will not be look unique. So that's why we have to use to get a unique figure or unique diagram, so we use the symbol in electric circuit. So here you can see that this is a bulb. Instead of this bulb you can see there is a symbol, and instead of cell, here you can see this is a cell. The longer end is always positive and this will be negative. And see, this will be key or switch. This is a key or switch. So this is the actual figure and this is a circuit diagram. So what do you mean by circuit? So I have tell you repeatedly the word circuit. So what do you mean by circuit? So circuit means it is the complete passage of electric current. So otherwise you can say that circuit is a complete path of electricity. Here the electricity passes through this wire, isn't it? So this is a circuit. So sometimes the circuit may be incomplete or sometimes the circuit may be complete. So what do you mean by incomplete circuit? So here the key means switch. So here also you can see that these two ends are free now, so it is not joined together. So when you freely kept this two end without joining, so that is called what? Incomplete circuit. Here also you can see that now the switch is off, it is not on, so that's why the circuit is incomplete. That's why bulb does not glow here. So that's why it is incomplete circuit. Incomplete circuit. So when you join these two end together, so that's the electricity or electrons started to flow through this wire. So that's why it will be glow. The bulb will be started to glow. So that's why it is called a complete circuit. You can say that it is a complete circuit and it is an incomplete circuit, because circuit is break here. There is a break because of this key. If the key is on, switch is on, so the two end will be joined together, the current will be passes through this circuit. So the bulb is started to glow. So that's why there is an incomplete circuit also is there, complete circuit also is there. When the switch is on, so we can say that is a complete circuit, and if the switch is off, that will be incomplete circuit. Here this is a cell. Actually the electricity generate in this diagram or in this circuit, so by this cell only, by this small cell. This is the cell and this is a bulb and this is key or switch. Actually this bulb is the cell is providing electricity. The cell is generating electricity for this circuit. That's why the bulb is glow. When the switch is on, bulb is glow. If the switch is off, bulb does not glow. So the cell, actually cell is a simple structure. So I think you have learned in previous year. So what is a cell? Cell is a simple structure. There are two electrodes connected. These are the two electrons. One is a positive and one is negative. And there is a solution here. So this solution is what, actually due to the chemical reaction. So the solution generate energy, and that will be stored in what, chemical energy stored in this electrode, and this electrode will be converted into electrical energy. The chemical energy convert into electric energy in the cell. So this cell is actually providing or generating electricity in this circuit. And what is a circuit? It is a complete passage of electricity, or it is a path of electricity. It is the path of electricity. So this is a diagram. Actually this is a diagram. So this is called what? Circuit diagram. Why it is called circuit diagram? It is a pictorial representation of a circuit. Actually it is a picture to represent a circuit. So that's why it is circuit diagram. So in every devices, so either it is a refrigerator or television, whatever it may be, so everything inside you can see a circuit. It may be complex, it may be a simple. So sometimes in a refrigerator you can find a complex circuit, and in a sometimes we will draw here, we have drew a figure. So that is a symbol diagram, only having bulb and battery and key, or cell or key. So this is a circuit and this is a circuit diagram. So circuit is a complete passage of electricity, and circuit diagram is a pictorial representation of electric circuit having lot of devices. Here there are lot of devices. One is bulb, one is key, and another one is what? Cell. Cell is actually generating electricity. Here cell is actually generating electricity. So when in circuit diagram, so when you represent a cell, there are two ends. One is longer end and one is a smaller one. So for longer end is always positive, and next one is negative terminal. And this is a bulb. In electric circuit, so bulb is a common device. When you look at the bulb, you can see a filament here. So this is a filament of a bulb. Filament of a bulb. So actually this filament is made up of a particular material that is called what? Tungsten. So tungsten is the material used to make this filament. It is having high melting point. So it does not melt so fast. That's why we used filament inside the bulb. So sometimes when you see a fused bulb, so we used to say bulb is fused. When we said bulb is fused, actually the filament is broken. You can see that this filament might be broken. That's why we used to say bulb is fused. Bulb is fused means circuit is incomplete. So when the circuit is incomplete, there is no current passing through this circuit, and as well as the bulb does not glow. So this is about bulb. Bulb is a device which is always connected in a circuit. So we have discussed about tungsten. Tungsten is our material used to make filament of the bulb. Sometimes we used to say bulb is fused. That means filament is broken. That's why we say bulb is fused. So today we are going to wind up the topic. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much.